Hello, welcome to a very close-up shot of my face. I am going to be testing today a product that has tickled my fancy. I'm intrigued by it and I thought, why not try it out on camera for you guys and let you know what I think of it. So today I'm going to be testing the Mirenesse lash curler. This is the heated lash curler, the eye curl. What's the official term? It's the eye curl twin heated eyelash curler from Mirenesse. Now this retails for £27 on the Mirenesse website and it looks like this. So they claim that this is the best lash curler and that it is basically a curling tong for your lashes. Oh, excuse my nails by the way. It's been a long week. I thought I would put this bad boy up to the test against my classic, pretty sad looking lash curlers and see if it really is as good as they claim. It's super bougie. It came in this like gold slip and the mascara actually also comes in this gold packaging. So I'm also going to be testing the Mirenesse Eye Curl Secret Weapon 24-hour mascara. Shall I get a little bit of information up about these? This has got all 5-star reviews on the website and it claims it is 24-hour micro wrap tubing formula, curls and thickens lashes. It's water resistant, smudge proof and sleep proof. I don't know who is sleeping in their mascara, but you need to stop that right now. Safe for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. Great. This retails for £16. I'm going to start with the Mirenesse, give this guy a go. I've put batteries in, you turn it on and this little green light comes on. I don't know how I'm supposed to know when it's heated up. I'm sure when the time comes it will become obvious to me. While that is heating up, let's talk a little bit more about this mascara. If you open it, ooh. I often find that really curling mascaras do have ones like this that is curved itself. I mean, I guess it makes sense, but this is what the wand looks like. It's not a plastic wand, it's bristles. It smells like mascara. I've personally got pretty straight lashes. I've got long lashes, but they're straight. They aren't doing the most for me. So when I'm not wearing mascara, you can't really tell that I've got long lashes, but when you put mascara on, you can. But I do need to curl them, otherwise they just kind of, you know? This is also vegan, cruelty-free, and also gluten-free. Huh. Oh my god, it's paraben-free, mineral oil-free, petroleum-free, gluten-free, alcohol-free, paraffin-free, sulfate-free, coal tar dyes-free, GMO-free, lead-free, formaldehyde-free, synthetic dyes-free, synthetic fragrance-free. It's free of... What is in this? Tell me that. Magic, I hope. Easy to use, heats up in 60 seconds. I'm gonna do this eye with this puppy. I think it's been 60 seconds. I'm a little bit nervous, I'm not gonna lie. It looks a little bit like a weapon, but I'm gonna give it a go. So I think this bit is the bit that's heated up, so you don't have to worry about burning your lashes. Curled, not curled. Let me zoom you in so you can see. Can you see? I'm now gonna try the mascara. So I guess I'm just gonna apply it. My lashes look really curled. Look at that lift. I hope you can see this. To be honest, I normally don't really like the curved ones, but that has done quite a fab job. It's a little bit softer on the bottom lashes that I would normally want, but I assume you can kind of build it up. This side looks lifted. I mean, I hope you can see the curl. Now I'm going to use my regular lash curler on the other side to see whether it's the mascara, whether it's the lash curler. This mascara is definitely more natural than I would normally go for. I mean, I guess that's not always a bad thing if you're going for a simpler makeup day. Like when I wear red lipstick, a lot of the time I do go for a lighter lash. We'll come back in a few hours to see how the curl has held. Mascara wise, I really like this mascara. I think it's really pretty. It's fluttery. I'm gonna zoom in. So, can you see a difference? I actually think I can. But I do think it's gonna be more about the longevity of this curl, because I do think that these are curling back more, whereas these are just going more straight up. But we shall see. I will report back and we'll see whether this mascara has smudged, and we'll see whether the curl has dropped on this side, because I want to know whether it's worth it, you know? We'll see. Hi guys, I apologize if there's little bits of face mask on my face. I may not have got it all off properly. But it's been like 6 hours since I put my mascara on, and I thought I would show you how it's holding up. I got to the end of the day and I took off my makeup, but I didn't want to take off my mascara yet because I wanted to keep it on for as long as I could. We lost another nail today. It's been rough, been really rough. So, how are my eyelashes looking? My honest opinions on this lash curler are, when I initially put my, curled my lashes, they did look really curly. It took less effort to get my curl as curly as it would take me to get the same amount of curl with this, if you know what I mean. Like, once it's heated up, it is quicker to get a good curl with this than it is with this. But you can get the same effect with both. I'm not saying that this curls your lashes curlier, it just is a little bit faster. But I will say that it has definitely lasted longer than this side, because it's literally crimped the hair. It's like when you if you curled your hair with a cold wand versus a hot wand, the hot wand is obviously going to last longer, slash curl it at all. So I will definitely say that this side looks curlier to me still. This is definitely starting to fall a little bit flat. Like, this side is still touching my eyebrow, whereas this side is starting to droop a little bit. There's not a huge difference, but my lashes do tend to hold a curl quite easily. But if you are someone whose lashes really struggle to stay curled, then I would recommend you give this a go. I think that for people with really hard to curl lashes, this could be a great product for you. My lashes are super curly still at the end of the day. And then onto the mascara. You can see there is no flaking. They look basically exactly the same as how they looked this morning. I liked how it applied. I like the wand. I actually really like this mascara. To be honest, I'm actually super impressed. I'll definitely use it more. The lash curler I will also continue to use. So yeah, those are my thoughts. Those are my opinions. Let me know what you think down below. Would you purchase something like this? I have linked Mirenesse down below. I've linked the mascara as well as the lash curler. So if you'd like to try them for yourself, they are linked down below. Thank you, Mirenesse, for challenging me to try out your lash curler. I was really intrigued by your product and it didn't disappoint. I am actually really impressed with it's done what it needs to do, and it's done it very well. There's actually a competition running on my Instagram where 10 of you can win one of these lash curlers, so make sure you head over to my Instagram. It's at EmmasRectangle, the same as it is here, and enter if you'd like to try one of these for yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!